In today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm up to, and I've showed you guys this box before, and let's see what is inside. If you worry, aha, look at that. These are lithium iron phosphate batteries. So we have 36 of cells here. This is 2 strings of 48 volts live here at JW Solar USA, and thanks for watching. So these are the LEV60F modules I was talking about before. This box is already, I decided to go this way, feed it this way, and I have 12 modules all the way across. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. This is one string right here, and I replicate the same thing. Since I started the negative on the other side here, I gotta start it from here again, so I can just run a wire from here and link it to here, parallel it, or a bus bar is gonna be laying on top of the batteries here, or in between here. So I finally figured it out. Okay, I can do that. I don't know if, but they can actually fit properly. I can use another maybe 2-gauge wire to go this way, diagonal, whatever, and I have more space here on the corner, and I have the same thing over there. So 16 modules cells cannot go all the way across up there, so they have to end up here. We can start the string from here if we wanted to, and the positive gonna be here, but I want to start from here. So you see negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, all the way, and it end up here. So these are the cells I was using before on the 12 volts. You guys can see I already put a little mark on them with a Sharpie. See that? Because this one's already charged to a full capacity, fully charged. The 3.6, or I think 6 or 6.5 volt. Yeah, 6.5 volt. I give so the 14.8 volt on the 12 volt or 4 cells. So these are the ones that are not being charged. They're into this string here. I have to take my time and charge all these batteries back all the way, so they can be the same like this. If I have to use a balancers, they don't have to work that hard because these batteries came from the manufacturer or battery hookup, and they are not fully charged. So I can able to drop some of my lines in here, my conductors, and all the way. And I used to have a thing here, just like a Victron, but it's not a Victron. There you go. So I can able to monitor this batteries here. So I can just put the shunts back in, and there we go. And I want to put a casting wheels on this, or I can use styrofoams to put in between, so the batteries can be sliding back and forth if I have to transport them. And if I don't utilize this space, since I have to connect these batteries, I have to move them to like a spacer, a little bit spacer, so that the bus bars will sit exactly the way it should. Then I have to arrange that spot. So all I have here is one string of 16 cells. It's gonna be a 74 amp hours, because each cell is rated at 74 amp hours. And doing so, put 16 cells in series, and that will give us the 58 point something to, yeah, 58.7, whatever. We can charge them that way. So we have the same thing here, 74. So 74 times 2, that gives us 148. So 148 amp hour, just like buying a rack mount battery. So it's a lot of cells, but with a higher capacity. These high density or heavy duty batteries here, made in Japan. So these are the cells. I just want to show you. I'm going to be showing you the bus bars I'm going to be using on this project. Okay, I hope you're able to see that properly, and make sure you like the video and share it, and we'll get right from there. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Here we go. These are the bus bars. These are flexible bus bars I ordered, 10 in a piece, in a pack, sorry. And so I think I have, this is 40 and 50, 60, 62, 64 bus bars. So I'm not going to be using 64 bus bars, but due to I just want to have a redundancy, I want to get more. So it's better to have more, and you're short and you're about to do the project that you don't have them, you have to wait for a long time to get them back. So this is what I just decided to do. It cost me, I think it's $138, $135 for 64 of these ones. And these are flexible. You can see like they're compacted here, and you see how flexible they are. You see, they are flexible, bendable, and you see, they're all flexible, so they can take any stress from the batteries, expansion and contraction, thermal expansion and contraction. So everything is working here. So I have other ones that I ordered before, and I decided to use them on this 12 volts. When I set them up before, it has this, so I decided to expand, open up the hole a little bit, just like a drill bit, but it's not the one, the one I'm talking about, and so that they can feed the battery head to the terminals. So yeah, I ordered this. I think I don't know if it's 12 or 24 of them. I wasn't too sure before what I want to do, because they're longer. So if we're looking at these ones, I think these ones can carry, I think it's 48 amp hours, something like that. With, I think these are designed for EVE batteries, 280 amp hour cells. So I decided to order this one that can work for highest capacity up to about, I think it's about 310 cells or 280s, and they're flexible. Okay, and I think this one can carry up to about that capacity. They can handle it. 200. I think they can go 200. I have to go through the specs again and let you know. But this is what it is, and a lot of bus bars I think I'll buy back in the future. But the problem is I'm not affiliated with these people, and it's hard for me sharing the link because it's not beneficial, and you know who they are. But same as this, so you can find them online. So just want to share with you guys. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA, live from Command Center in Minnesota for these cells right here. It's a lot of cells. It's a lot. So I'm trying to get back. Maybe I used to have a box like this before. It says waterproof IP65, something like that, and snapped the locks. So locks right here was kind of tough, snapped, but this has a hole right here. You can put like a lock. So it's really nice. You can see a nice groove here. This thing can sit on the seal, rubber seal right here. So I wish I don't know if I shipped it overseas, but I wish I had one of these boxes again. But I have a steel metal that is bigger than this one. I was thinking about doing that, but utilizing, I just want to see this one fit in here. I can able to cut a plywood that's just gonna sit right here and flush all the way, and get this. I'm gonna remove probably this meter. It's gonna be a hole right there, see, but probably I'm gonna do that if that's where the parallel gonna come, like Anderson connectors from this battery connecting to the other one. If I have the same box like this, that's what it's gonna do. I'm gonna stack them, and I'm gonna put a casting wheels on this bad boy, and everything's just gonna look so nice. Yeah.